All right, so we're going to pay tribute to my great-uncle, George Landry, also known as Big Chief Jolly of the Wild Chapatoolers. They made a record. It was the Neville Brothers in conjunction with the Meters, which I thought was the ultimate band. The Meters is a rhythm section, the brothers singing with my great-uncle Jolly, Big Chief Jolly, and that was what the Wild Chapatoolers comprised of. That's what it was. I wanna make me shout. I'm going down and get my squad. Get that body call now. I'm gonna do everything I could. Me Big Chief, I'm feeling good. Me Big Chief, me gotta try. Got my ball right by my side. My spy boy, he just went by. My flag boy so full of fire. Whole tribe be having fun. Gonna get down till the morning come. The first recorded line of Mardi Gras Indian music that I had ever heard was Bo Dallas and the Wild Magnolias with Willie T and those guys. So they paved the way for that. And then the Wild Chapatoolers later on recorded, which I think is one of the best New Orleans albums ever made, the Wild Chapatoolers. And I mean the sounds of the streets in New Orleans is what it's all about, you know, and the Mardi Gras Indians are as important as anything there is to do with New Orleans culture and especially for African Americans. Basically back in the days, that was like our way of participating with the Mardi Gras.
I'ma bring my gang to the neighborhood. We gonna find the levee and burn it down.
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 Burn it down, burn it down.
Find the levee and burn it down.
Burn it down to the ground.
Find the levee and burn it down.
Find that levee and burn it down.
Find the levee and burn it down.
Find the levee. I heard Big T Bo do this one time, y'all.